What's going on, everybody? Professor Mike here. Welcome backward to the channel. Today I want to do a quick video. A lot of people have been messaging and commenting me about wanting to know how much was this vehicle? How much are F-150s? So today we're going to do a quick dive. We're going to jump right into this video on how much I paid for this thing. So as you guys know, this is a 2018 F-150 5-liter STX with the 4-wheel drive. This is also the Super Crew, which means it has the 4 doors. So we're going to jump into how much these things cost if you were looking for an F-150 just for yourself. So the F-150 is going to start at about $27,000 to begin with. $27,000, $29,000 to start. That's for a base truck, 1-door, 2-wheel drive, 3.3-liter engine, the most basic XL trim level. This vehicle right here has 4 doors, so it's a little bit more expensive. It has the 5.0, which is an upgraded engine. It has the 4-wheel drive, which is also an upgrade. And it also is the STX package, which is a little bit more than the XL package. Just gives you a more luxurious work utility vehicle price. So if you guys have been following the channel, you would know that this is a work truck, but I have made it and to customize it to look more luxurious, to look more high-end, to not look like a work truck. The STX package is an XL trim, which is the base trim level, but they have put different features on it, like body-colored grills, body-colored bumpers. You open side, you get the center console in the middle. Does not come with that. On lower trim levels, you'll get the folding bench seat. You get the 8-inch screen in the front. You get the digital dash cluster in the front. So there's a lot of different things that this truck will come with that an XL probably won't come with. You get 20-inch rims, bigger tires. So to start off, if you were to buy this exact vehicle brand new at the dealership, the 5.0 liter, the 4 doors, the 4-wheel drive, the STX package itself, it's gonna come out to about $50,000 brand new. I would say $48,000 brand new out the door. Now guess how much I paid for this. Now keep in mind, I bought this used. When I bought it, it had 41,000 miles on it. What I paid for this truck is $31,200. That's how much this truck cost me. $31,200 with 41,000 miles. It was 3 years old when I bought it. It's an STX, which actually saved me a lot because it was considered a low trim level. But the upgrades were $3,000 on the drivetrain for the 4-wheel drive. Another $1,000 for the upgraded engine. Instead of the 3.3 or the 2.7, I was able to get the 5.0 V8. So if you add those in together, the truck would have been, without those options, closer into the 20s, high 20s. But I decided that the 4-wheel drive was going to be, very, very helpful, especially in Florida where it rains all the time. And then I also wanted the 5.0 because I don't like the EcoBoost. I don't like the turbos. They leak oil. I've heard really bad horror stories about them. I want a fully upgraded, naturally aspirated, just basic 5.0 V8. And who doesn't want a V8 anyways? You get a lot of torque, you get a lot of power, and it sounds amazing. Now don't get me wrong, the EcoBoost do sound great. They keep up with the 5.0s. I know the 3.5 liter is even faster than the 5.0, but they have problems. If you talk to any mechanic in Ford, and you ask them, would you rather pick the 5.0 or the EcoBoost? 9 out of 10 will say the 5.0 because they have less problems and they work on them less. Just think about it. You add turbos, you're adding more problems to the mix. I mean, just having 4-wheel drive, you're adding more problems to the something that could go wrong, right? So I decided 5.0 was best for me. Now, the truck was $31,000. Now, I think that's a great deal. Honestly, if you can get a Ford F-150 for $31,000, I think you're winning, because the F-150s are just going more and more more up in price every single year. And the new ones are $55,000, $60,000. And to me, I just feel like I can't spend that much on a truck. I don't care about the leather. I don't care about the cooled and heated seats. I live in Florida. I don't care about heated seats. I don't care about the dual climate. I don't care about all these other necessities. So just to spend 10 grand to get all the other stuff, it just, you know, I feel like it's not worth it. You know, I wanted a truck because I wanted to be able to beat it up. I wanted to put it to use, put it to work. Yeah, I wanted some nice features to it, but I don't want something that looks cool and doesn't perform. You know, trucks are made to be used for work, and they will get dirty. So I decided that the $31,000 truck was right for me. I went in, saw it, we got it, we picked it up. I traded in the Mustang, or actually I sold the Mustang to a private owner, went and picked up the truck, and it's been great ever since. It has about 43,000 miles on it now. So I don't really drive it too much. I put about 2,000 or 3,000 miles on it, but it's been great. So yeah, $31,000. And so let me know what you guys paid for your trucks. I've seen a lot of people pay 42, 44, 40. Some people lease it. I bought this right out. It was $31,000. Feel like it was a great deal. Let me know. If you guys found this video helpful, would you leave a like and comment so that YouTube will share this with other people? And let me know how much you paid for your F-150. I'd love to hear you. I respond to all my comments. I'd love to hear your feedback on how much you paid and if you thought mine was a good deal. And let me hear about your deals and tell me about your mods that you've done to your trucks. Catch y'all in the next video. Peace.